Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert stickers to your picture on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on the plus icon down below and then select a picture from your gallery that you would like to edit. After that, you should tap on the stickers button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can find a bunch of categories that you can choose from, such as emoji, tier art, color word, love, shadow, alphabet, text, heart, hand-drawn, butterfly, Easter, and so on. So select a category and tap on the relevant sticker that you would like to insert to your picture. So just simply tap on it and then you should place it within the screen. If you want to, you can insert more than one. You can make it bigger and smaller, and feel free to insert as many as you want to. After that, you are done. Click on this icon in the upper right corner to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.